All right, we'll begin with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Morning, everyone, and welcome to the Monday, July 8th meeting of Board of County Commissioners. My name is Shelley Bueller, and I have the pleasure of serving as chair of the commission alongside Commissioner Kevin Cook and Commissioner Bob Archer.
Good morning.
Good morning. Before we get started, we do have birthday wishes that we need to extend to you, Mr. Archer. Not
well,
today, but
well,
Wednesday.
My favorite quote about birthdays is that, having an accounting background, it's birthdays are good for you because statistics show that the people who have the most of them tend to live the longest. So, thank you, Madam Chair.
Key.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Commissioner Archer. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day. I know we'll be here and having budget sessions, so I don't know if that's how you want to spend your birthday or not.
I wouldn't want to spend it any other way.
All right. First item, please.
Item 3, consent agenda.
Are there questions or a motion on the consent agenda?
I would move for approval of the consent agenda as presented.
I'll second.
Motion by Commissioner Cook and second by Commissioner Archer. All in favor of the motion say aye. Opposed, no. Motion carries 3-0.
Item 4, new business. A, County Clerk. Number 1, consider all voucher payments.
Madam Chair, this morning we have one set of vouchers dated July 5th, 2013 in the total amount of $1,549,560.46. I have no questions or comments, but would make a motion to approve the vouchers as presented.
I would second.
There's a motion by Commissioner Archer, second by Commissioner Cook. I do have one question. When we normally don't have a meeting, we've had 2 sets of vouchers. The reason for one? I'm just curious.
They were rolled up, from what I understand, into one
Into
set
just
of
one
vouchers.
set of payments.
I'm sorry, I've only been at the office for an hour this morning, and I was on vacation last week, so.
That's okay. That's okay. Okay, I was just curious. Thank you. All those in favor of the motion say aye. Opposed, no. Actually, did Commissioner Archer make that motion? Commissioner Cook second? Okay. All in favor say aye. Opposed, no. Motion carries 3-0.
Item A2, consider correction orders.
Move approval. Or second?
Second.
Second by Commissioner Archer. All in favor of the motion say aye. Opposed, no. Motion carries.
Item B, County Treasurer. Number 1, consider approval of resolution number 2013-56, authorizing the treasurer to cancel and reissue a check to Terry J. Young.
Good morning, Commissioners. Larry Moss, Shawnee County Treasurer.
Morning.
You have a resolution to cancel and reissue a check that was lost in the mail to Mr. Young. I'd be glad to answer any questions you might have.
I'll make a motion to approve the resolution.
There's a motion by Commissioner Archer.
Second.
Second by Commissioner Cook. All in favor of the motion say aye. Opposed, no. Motion carries 3-0.
Thank you.
Item B2, consider approval of request to waive the $10 check replacement fee for Terry J. Young.
The check was lost in the mail through no fault of Mr. Young, so he's asking for his $10 fee to be returned to him.
Motion to waive the $10 fee.
Second.
Motion by Commissioner Cook, second by Commissioner Archer. All in favor say aye. Opposed, no. Motion carries 3-0.
Item B3, consider approval of resolution 2013-57, authorizing the treasurer to cancel and reissue a check to Lois J. Markham.
It's another check that was lost in the mail. The check was never received by Mrs. Markham.
There is no request to refund the $10?
No.
No? Okay.
Motion to approve.
Second.
Motion to approve by Commissioner Archer, second by Commissioner Cook. All in favor say aye. Opposed, no. Motion carries 3-0.
And item B4, consider approval of resolution number 2013-58, authorizing the treasurer to cancel a check issued in error to WPS Medicare Part B.
This is a resolution to cancel a check that was issued in error. The health department discovered that the reimbursement had been made through electronic means, and so the check was never really ever sent to the individual. Their internal audit system corrected that before it was ever sent.
Okay, thank you. Move approval. Is there a second?
Second.
Second by Commissioner Archer. All in favor of the motion, say aye. Opposed, no. Motion carries 3-0.
Thank you.
Item C, information technology. Number 1, consider contract C 330-2013 with Sirius Computer Solutions for annual maintenance of the Z890 mainframe. Contract C 331-2013 for annual maintenance of the Shark F20 drive array. And contract C 332-2013, amendment to contract C 2019-2010, replacing a subcontractor, Kodak, with Signature Technology Group for a total amount of $39,351.65.
Good morning, Commissioners. Pat Oblander with the Information Technology Department. As mentioned, this is the annual maintenance that's due on the hardware components for our mainframe system, which are broken up into two components, the actual computer itself, the Z890, and the storage arrays. That's the Shark F20 storage array. The extra little bit of confusion in there is that the vendor, Sirius Solutions, that generally supports these two items, has a subcontractor that they use to support the Shark F20 SAN array. The last couple of years they've had difficulty finding contractors to support that. They had Kodak in there last year. This year they're using Signature Technologies to do that, and that's why the amendment is in there for the contract. This is, by the way, the fourth year of the 5-year contract, and it'll be valid through 2014, so we'll be back up again next year for the last year of this contract for that. If you have any other questions, I'd be happy to answer those.
Thank you for the explanation. Other questions? Further questions?
Motion to approve the annual maintenance agreements.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Cook, second by Commissioner Archer. All in favor say aye. Opposed, no. Motion carries 3-0.
Thank you, Commissioners.
Item D, Health Agency. Number 1, consider approval of request for out-of-state travel for Misty Kruger, the Public Information Officer, and Tara Dimmick, the E2 Communications, to attend a conference at a total estimated cost of $2,856 to be reimbursed to the Health Agency through the Sodium Reduction in Communities grant.
Good morning, Commissioners. Alice Weingartner, Health Agency. The request before you is to attend a conference. It's a national conference in Atlanta, Georgia. These opportunities are good opportunities for our staff to have because it brings back information to us that we can use internally, and it is grant funded as well. I'd be happy to answer any other questions.
Commissioner Archer?
Thank you, Madam Chair, and good morning, Alice.
Good morning.
Good to see you. What does Frito-Lay have to say about this sodium reduction initiative?
I don't know that I have an answer for that question, Commissioner Archer. I've had no conversations with Frito-Lay, and I'm not sure that the community has as well, or the folks working on this initiative.
Don't you think it'd be a good idea to talk to one of the major employers that we have in Topeka about a grant or an initiative that we've got that would potentially have a big impact on their business? And it may apply to Mars also, I'm not sure.
And I believe that there are some aspects of this grant that are bringing community partners in. And again, I can't say whether they're on the list currently or not, but those activities would be something that would be taking place.
Yeah, and there is a kind of a subcommittee, if you will, of kind of focusing in on those existing businesses and possibly lower sodium choices within those markets. So, but yeah, I believe Nancy Johnson or Tara could probably let you know. I know there's been lots of work with local convenience stores as well.
Right, and again, the intent isn't to wipe out
Right.
sodium. The intent is to help people make healthier choices. We're not gonna get rid of sodium completely in the foods that we eat. So I think it's just a matter of helping people make healthier choices.
I just think it's important
Definitely.
when we have a major employer, that anything we do that may impact their business, may not, they may have some great ideas to help us with this initiative. I think that we should discuss things. with
Sure,
them, that's all.
definitely. And what I will do is I will share your comments with the folks working on this initiative and make sure that they have them included in those discussions as well.
Okay, thank you, Allison, thank you, Madam Chair.
Yeah, and I would say there's been some pretty significant results on some of the work that's been done with convenience stores that maybe we need an update on that.
They are working on that. I know
Yeah.
that there has been some evaluation work done, and they're
Uh-huh.
waiting for that report
Uh-huh.
to come back. And so as soon as that evaluation report's received, it will be shared.
Okay. Any further questions? Move approval of the request. Is there a second?
Second.
Second by Commissioner Cook. All in favor of the motion, say aye. Opposed, no. Motion carries 3-0. And do want to mention it is grant funded, so it's not general fund dollars.
Correct. Thank you.
Allison.
Item E, Public Works Solid Waste. Number 1, consider approval of a sole source purchase of a cylinder for a new way truck in an amount of $4,867.86.
Good morning, Commissioners. Tom Block of Public Works and Solid Waste. This is a solid waste item in which we've had a cylinder in one of our vehicles go bad and needs to be replaced. This truck is a new way truck. They are the only manufacturer of this cylinder, but they have regional suppliers, and the regional supplier in this area is Elliott Equipment Company, of which we need to go through to purchase this cylinder, and so that is a request before you. If there's any questions regarding this, I'd be happy to try to answer them.
Thank you, Tom. Are there questions?
Make a motion to approve the sole source purchase.
Motion by Commissioner Archer.
Second.
Second by Commissioner Cook. All in favor of the motion, say aye. Opposed, no. Motion carries 3-0.
Thank you.
Item 5, Administrative Communications.
Any administrative communications today? There are none.
Item 6, Executive Session.
There's no need? Okay. All right, we are adjourned. I will mention one item. Jane has added the budget hearings onto the agenda. Today, we will meet 10:30 for corrections, 1 o'clock for extension, 1:30 for Fair Board, 2 o'clock for the coroner, and 2:30 for the district attorney. And then we have a full day tomorrow and Wednesday as well, and Thursday afternoon as well. So we will be here. You need to find us. All right, thank you. We're adjourned.
So if we need a title signed, we know where to find you.
Yeah, exactly.